from Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle. This is a lantern collaboration. Our host is Grace Life DIY, Anna. And this video, I think she's going to enjoy. Somebody told me there's a rumor going around. You know, I'll tell you the rumor, and you tell me if it's true. The rumor is Anna from Grace Life DIY loves big bling. If that's the truth, tell me, yeah, that's true in the comments, okay? Because we want to hear if that rumor is true. Because if she loves big bling, she's going to love my lantern. Okay, here's how we're going to put this together. But if you know that secret, and if you know that rumor's true, you know, you tell me. Tell me in the comments. But it's just between me and you. Don't tell Anna. Okay? It's just our secret. Shh. Okay, here's how I'm making my lantern swag. I'm starting out with unconventional items. If you know my design, you know a lot of times I like to use unconventional things. This here is pampas grass. Yes, it's not pine. And that's going to be our base. And I got that at Michael's. After fall. This is glittered eucalyptus. So it looks like it has ice on it. And I got this at the Dollar Tree, actually. And this here was 99 cents. I think this was Walmart. And I'm going to put that there. I can always take the tags off later. And then this is from Hobby Lobby. And this is just snowy branches. And I think I'll do the snowy branches first. And then have some green on top. And then I'm going to just add, we're just building this. We're going to add some poinsettias. Those came from the Dollar Tree. And then we also have a snowflake. And that will be our bundle, number 1. I'm going to just take a pipe cleaner and wrap around it just to hold it together. And then the next one I'll do the same. Gonna add our bow. And our brooch came undone. I'll have to work on that. There it is. Ouch. And I'm going to just adjust it down and fluff out our bow a little bit. And same way with our flowers, get them looking their best. Okay, this brooch keeps coming unhooked. I'm glad I'm not having to wear it. See, it doesn't want to cooperate. I'm going to add these two stems in. Because, you know, that little secret we were talking about. We'll have to add some more bling. Okay, here is our lantern swag. You have these beautiful crystals hanging down, which would be really pretty if this was sitting on a mantle, I think, to go down over the mantle. Have this little owl perching its way in there. White poinsettias, white snowflakes, you have the crystal branches. You have the Harlequin black and white ribbon. I just wish I'd used a 2-inch ribbon instead of the 1.5. You have the little bling, the pampas grass in the back, the eucalyptus, this little green just to give it a little green texture. And inside our lantern swag, we have silver ornaments from the Dollar Tree. But to me, I think they're all so beautiful.